what is our lacrimal lens? Now, for the lacrimal lens, wala talaga mag-solve. Right? So, what's our lacrimal lens? Base curve minus K. Ilan na itong base curve? For 1 grade dyan, 44. 45 at the base curve. What's the K reading? 44.50 along 50. So, what is our lacrimal lens in this regard? This is plus 50. Cylinder, axis, 90. Follow na lang kayo sa 90 na siya. Sa side lang kaya alam 180. The other lacrimal lens will be what? Base curve minus K, 45 minus 46 along 90. So that is negative 1, axis 180. So what is our lacrimal lens combined? Plus 50. Cylinder axis 90 combined with minus 1 cylinder axis 180. At now, the thing is, when you combine, narawa mo sa axis dito sa imong subject refraction, muna lang ko na yung axis na itong ibilid. Kaya para pareha na axis na ito. So now, is 180 na ito ibilid. So this is what? Plus 50 sphere combined with minus 150 cylinder axis. Okay, third analyze guys. Live question before we proceed. You can ask questions. You can go here if you want to go here. Third analyze. Nasa contact lens room, you can use that for your patient. Hindi mo continue at least ako sa ating kamera. You can use it that one in the contact lens room. It especially not the room for contact lens. They use that. Then we will put one slit lamp there so that pwede mo mag-contact lens patient. Okay, tingnan. Everybody got this? Kamusta naman? Lacrimal lens morning. Magkita pa tayo contact lens power. So again, SR minus OR. Ako lang siya isulat niya in vertical para nga it's easier to add and subtract. Ilan ka itong subjective refraction? Minus 2 combined with minus 150 axis. Nilay atong overfraction? 0. Pero minus na siya, kaya muna ko nila. SR minus OR. Ilan itong lacrimal lens? Minus lacrimal lens. Plus 50 sphere combined with minus 150 cylinder axis. So, ang yung total na will be the OR. Follow signs guys ha, follow signs. Negative and nothing. Negative and positive becomes negative. Negative and negative becomes positive. So now, this is now minus 2 plus plano minus 50. This is what? Minus 250 sphere. Minus 150 plus 150 cylinder. This is 0. So this is your answer. I don't know why you're laughing, but that's how it is. Okay. So, in the end, it's your question. So, and let's end up with one question. I'll add one more question that we will have another example. Okay, kita kayo sa tayo. Ay, I'll show it first na sa performance okay? So, ito pagkakaroon may pagkitas. Ay, ito. Please do. Okay? Wala. Oh, wala. Wala. So, tapos sa'yo. Kasi pulau kayo ano, hindi ka. Susunod ulit ko ako sa dito. Kaya ako dito. Okay. Again, kung may question, tanahan. Please na pala i-produce sa saan. Pero saan ako naman ng klase kasi sila ka? 28?
26.
26 day, 26. Again, another Monday for the Sila class, September 26. Pwede ba? But you cannot write this equation bago nila gagawin. Ayun, ano eh, kasama na yun. Ayun na lang equation sa spinocylinder, kaya wala na siya sa octoroom, siguro lang sa stability na ayun. Nagsa-nagsa lang. Yan siya, sphere, then a cylinder na ito. Okay. Can you try to solve this? Pero you cannot try to solve it if you want. This time, manawa ko tayo nakalagay na problem sa katong previous problem. Ang base curve na gihatag, base curve reduce. Ang kasagaran pa sa iyo paano ko mag-solve, kaya ko ganito lang sa inyo. Remember, you cannot subtract. Our base curve is 43.25, di ba? So that's 43.25 minus 43. Ano 90? Ano 90? So this is plus 25. Cylinder axis 180. The other meridian is 43.25. Minus 44 along 180. So this is minus 0.25 cylinder axis 90. Okay. So for our contact lens power, subjective refraction over refraction minus lacrymal lens. Objective refraction is plus 1 combined with minus 1 cylinder axis 98. Isa, so i-recombine nila kung natin i-recombine. Lacrymal lens is equal to plus 25 cylinder axis 180 combined with minus 35 cylinder axis 19. So you have plus 25 sphere combined with minus 1 cylinder axis 19. So our lateral lens is plus 25 combined with minus 1 cylinder axis 19. Our refraction is planar, right? Refraction is planar. So our contact lens power should be minus and plus becomes negative, minus and minus becomes positive. So plus 1 minus 25, that's plus 25. Minus 1 plus 1, that is 0, so this is your. Okay? Yes, of course. Hindi, papaya. Hindi na mo, hindi na pag ito mo lang dito. Kaya, madadaan mo rin lang ito pag-bag, di ba? What if, imagine na lang kung pagpapala ka sa kuan, sa polis sa mall, kaya na-solve yung right tangent or right sine. Okay ka? So, naa siya, pero naa mo hindi calculator. Guys, I advise you to check the website of PRC. Naa-site prescribed calculators. Kung ay calculators na hindi pwede for optometry, but pwede sa engineer. Kaya tawag nila programmable calculators. Ano to? Non-programmable. Yung specific na numbers sa calculator na alam. Na for exam, there are ang bantay sa inyong sarili will be what we call proctors. Ano yung mga proctors? They are not optometrists. They are not teachers or sa PRC. Naiwan na nila sa crypto guys. yung tanawon ang kanang calculator if it is under the principle. Okay na, remember ha? Or in this case, predicted overfraction is equal to CLP predicted overfraction plus CLP plus LL plus SR. So how do we solve for the predicted overfraction? That is SR minus CLP minus the prevalence. Pwede naman ito kita. So, let's try to find what are the given. Subjective refraction given is what? Minus 150 combined with minus 1 axis 180. Do we have a contact lens power? It's there, no? What's the contact lens power? Minus 3. What about our lacrimal lens? Wala pa nagbalo. Don't know. But the given is that there's a given of the base curve radius 7.60 and we do know what the key readings are. So we can solve. First, let's try to get the base curve sa. Kaya it's in base curve radius na. So that's 337.5 divided by 7.6 mm. That is what? 44.40. Sorry, number 80? 44.80? 40. Okay, 44.40. So, i-ground optimal siya, roughly equal siya sa, this is roughly equal to 44.50. Okay. Clear ba siya sa 50 kaysa 25? So, now we can solve the lacrimal lens. First, we'll start 44.50, base curve minus K. K reading for the first meridian is 45, along 180, so this is minus 50, axis 90. Follow ha? Follow? The other lacrimal lens is 44.50 minus 46 along 90, so this is minus 150, axis 180. So our combined lacrimal lens will be what? Minus 50, cylinder axis 90 combined with minus 150, cylinder axis 180. Correct? Now, so karon, axis 180 mo ni. So kailan na axis 180 kung mabilis sa tuwa. So the lacrimal lens now is minus 50 sphere combined with minus 1 cylinder axis. Again, ilalan guys na our knowledge of transposition is impeccable. Dapat perfect. Once masayo po ng process, sayo tingnan sa kalkulator po. Kaya hindi siya pwede nga one of the steps is wrong na mag-end lang sa ako. Kaya masayo po ba? Okay, so now that we have this, we will now look at the predicted overfraction. So for the predicted overfraction, it's subjective refraction minus contact lens power minus lacrimal lens equals predicted overfraction. Subjective is minus 150 sphere with minus 1 cylinder axis 180. Our contact lens power is minus 3 and our lacrimal lens is minus 50 combined with minus 1 cylinder axis. Okay. So now let's look at the signs. Minus and minus becomes plus. Minus and minus is plus. Negative and negative is also plus. So we'll end up with a minus 150 plus 3. That's plus 150, right? Plus 150. Hello? Plus 150 and plus 50. Plus 2. Minus 1 and plus 1. 0. So your predicted overfraction is plus 2. Yay!